What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a battery pack for the Insta360 Ace Pro. Lift up from here. It looks like a camera itself. All right. Actually have a protector right here, the digital monitor right here. We're going to slide it out of this protector, take it off of this slide. I actually like the design of this. This is so elegant. The other one I have is regular. I did do a review on it. If so, I'll post a review somewhere. I have two battery slots right there. You do have slots where you get little memory cards right there. Slot there, slot there. Let's see what goodies we have. All right, so this is a block of foam. Don't really need that. Let's see. All right, so what do you get with your pack? All right, box number one, and it's empty. So right here, you have a charger. You have a carrying case. I'm loving this, you guys. It's so organized. This is pretty long. This seems about 36 inches, you guys. Now let's see what's in the other box of goodies. You have the most important. Battery number one, battery number two. All right, so you don't get no little micro cards or nothing. So you do have the slots here for your micro cards or TF cards. So that's a plus because I be having my cards just lying around. So it's nice to have these slots right there. That's about it, you guys. I'm going to go ahead, put these in. Oh, and it lets you know the percentage on there. Okay, so the one on the left, don't know if y'all can see it, but the one on the left is 56 and wait, no, sorry. The one on the right is 56 and the one on the left is 51, all right? Depending on whatever right and left you're looking at, all right? All right, you hit the button, then it shows up. So all you do is plug it in and charge it. All right, take it out of the case real quick. Let's test out the integrity of the battery. All right, so this is the original. And this is the new brand. Fits in very nice. Nice and well, you guys. All right, turn it on. And there you go. Comes right on. All right, so no problems with the batteries. Everything looks good, and that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.